Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I just wanted to share with you guys some bits and pieces with the SolidCAM settings. Let's say you guys are bouncing from computer to computer or have multiple different users and you guys want to all use the exact same settings. Well, what you guys can do now is come down to the very bottom inside your SolidCAM settings and click the Save button. And what this will do is it will save out all the settings that are tied in this document right here for you. So if we hit the Save button right here, you have two different file types. Now, if you guys are not a full admin user, then stick with the .reg folder. There is no difference between the SC.reg or the reg file. They both save over everything the exact same way, just two different file formats. But we've come across if you are trying to save that SC reg file, you do need higher permissions. So I just kind of want to show that to you guys and show you how to save out those settings and how to use that with multiple different configurations and all that sort of thing, keeping the same settings throughout many different computers, and that way you're not having to go through and personalize each setting that was installed on the different computers. So just want to kind of show you guys that for the tip of the day today, and tomorrow I'll go through and show you how to import those settings in for you guys and how to bring those in. Thanks guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.